Hello hackers, Matt aka Grit here again, and we're working on filters now. So let's take a look at this first one, Hello World. The first and most famous computer programs every programmer makes is Hello World. Now is your chance to continue the tradition Linux style. So we're going to create a file named hello with the contents world, and then run hello world to get your flag. Okay, and that'll be in our filters directory. There's hello world. So we need to, let's make sure we're reading this correctly, a file named hello with the contents world. And I'm going to do this through the command line. I'm going to echo world into hello. Cool. Let's cat hello. All right, it says world. And then we're going to run hello world. Awesome. Did you know there was a programming language B? I guess that was before C. Paste that in. Okay, now we got rocku. How many passwords are there in rocku.txt? Rocku.txt is a giant password list of actual real used passwords. And so first we can locate rocku. Not that. Right, and it's this one that we want, user share wordless rocku.txt. So we'll do word count, and then we'll just copy and paste this right in here. Copy, paste. And we get 214239. So let's put that in here. Our flag should be that, which I will copy. Oops. Copy. You go away. Don't need you. Oh, did I not copy? Copy. Paste. And hopefully I did this right. 214239. I might have to. Yeah, I might have to actually, so if I take a look at this file, user share word lists rocku.txt.gz, it's compressed data, so we won't actually get the correct amount of passwords that are in there. Now I can see it's gzip, so I'm going to g-unzip that file. Let's g-unzip it, copy, paste, let that unzip happen. I'm going to clear. I'm going to update DB. I'm going to locate rocku.txt. There it is. So let's try that now. Word count -L. Go ahead and copy, paste. That's much greater. So I'm going to copy that and paste that right in there. That's how many passwords Rocku actually has. Awesome. Okay, so next we're up to coin toss. I'm not sure which part I like better, the beginning of the journey or the end. So how about I just combine both? You get this flag by combining the first 18 lines of cointoss.txt with the last 19 lines of the file. You probably want to strip out all those new lines to make the flag easy to read. And as an additional challenge, you can try and solve this just in one line without saving anything to a file. I'm not going to do that, but you can try. So the first thing we want to do is get the, let's see, clear. We have this coin toss file. So first I'm just going to cat coin toss just so we have some idea of what we're looking at, and you can clearly see the flag here, and if you wanted to, you can maybe do it yourself manually, but we're not going to do that. So we're going to first grab the 18 lines of coin toss, and the first 18 lines we'll use head for that. So we'll do head-n for the number 18 of cointoss.txt, and we're going to put that into a file. We're going to direct that into a file, and I'm going to call it answer. Actually, I'll call it flag.txt. Okay, so now if I cat flag.txt, we've done the first part there. That's the first 18 lines. The next thing we want to do is, let's see, you can get this. we want the last 19 lines of the file. So the opposite of head is, of course, tail. So we'll do tail and 19 cointoss.text, and we will double that into flag.text. Now, it's important that you see that the first time I was writing the file and just putting everything in there. The second time, I'm appending to the file. I want to add this to the end of the file. So I use 2, and that should append. Let's clear ls and cat our flag and see what we're looking at now. And we definitely have the entirety of the flag. However, it's we've got these new line characters. This is annoying. I don't want to deal with that. So we can use tr, translate, and tr if you want to take a look at it. And right in front of us right here, delete is what we're going to want to use. So let's try. tr-d, and I know that the new line characters, this may be kind of new to you if you haven't seen before, but it looks like this. This is the new line character, escape n, and we're going to put in, the other way now, our flag.text. Cool. And there it is. Heads or tails? I rather pick both. Of course, you can do this in actually one command without saving to a file, but I'll leave that as an exercise to the hacker. And then finally, we have Rock.U is better. Kali comes with a lot of pre-installed software, which also includes lots of lists. So we have the Unix passwords.txt. It's talking about this file that it wants us to find. And it says a couple of things we want to do. We want to sort it in reverse order and output the last 27 lines of that sorted list into a file. And then once complete, we're going to run Rock.U is better. Cool. Cool. So let's clear and locate this Unix passwords.txt. We found it there. I'm just going to copy that. And what do we need to do? We need to sort it in reverse order. So we can use the sort command, -r for reverse. Give it that. Oops, that's not what I wanted to do. Clear. Sort. Oh, let's locate that file. Let's locate Unix passwords.txt. This is what I want to copy. Sort -r. That, and then I want to pipe that. What are we doing next? Output the last 27 lines of that list into a file. So I want tail-n 27, and I'd like to put that into a file that I will call answer.txt. Cool. So here's my answer.txt. Now it says to run Rock.U is better. So that's right there. Rock.U is better. Okay, so it's telling me how to use it. It says /Rock.U is better, and then give it the path of the file. Cool. So let's take a look at that. /Rock.U is better, and then answer.txt. Awesome. Rock me gently, rock me slowly. Paste that in there, and we've finished with our Linux filters. So I'll see you in the next video.